doors, twin-turbo V8, and a body.
Hey everyone, today we're checking out the BMW 8 Series 860i Wild Luxury. This thing is absolutely stunning in metallic midnight blue, and under these lights you can really see every curve and detail pop. Let's take a closer look and see what...
Just look at this luxury inside.
Sitting here in the 860i Grand Coupe, the first thing you notice is just how driver-focused the layout is. Everything angles towards you. This 12.3-inch screen is crisp and quick swipe, or use the iDrive wheel down here. It responds instantly. You can split nav and media, or...
That's the sound of pure power. The 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 wakes up with authority, and you feel it through every panel in this cabin.
Stepping out of the showroom, the 8 Series Grand Coupe shows why it wears the flagship badge. That deep metallic blue under the sun almost looks liquid. The long hood, the low roofline, and those 20-inch bicolor wheels fill the...
Now let's test the speed of this wild luxury beast. It just keeps pulling. Smooth, relentless, and so composed.
The control and stability are just incredible. Even on...
Now we're checking it in the desert. Let's see how fast it goes.
A tight mountain switchback like this, the 8 Series stays composed, predictable, and ready to leap out of the corner. That is the magic of the chassis tuning and xDrive working together.
This is not just a car, it's a dream on wheels. The BMW 8 Series 860i Wild Luxury is power, style, and class combined. If you believe in perfection, this is the model for you.
This is the BMW 8 Series 860i Grand Coupe with the M Sport package, already a showcase of performance and luxury. But today we're looking at something a little different. It's safety glass. That was a 9mm round. The panel caught it.
BMW 8 Series 860i Wild Luxury, where power meets perfection.
Let's push it to the max. This is wild luxury at full speed.
Out here, where the horizon swallows the sun and the sand is endless, one detail still steals your eye. This is BMW's 8 Series Grand Coupe, specifically the 860i with the M Sport package. 4 doors, twin-turbo V8, and a body...
In the mud, this beast doesn't stop.
This beast doesn't stop.